In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube TV costs in the UK and whether it's available for viewers there. Unfortunately, as of now, YouTube TV is not officially available in the UK. The service is primarily offered in the United States, and its content library is tailored to US audiences. This means that if you're in the UK, you won't be able to subscribe to YouTube TV directly or access its live TV and on-demand streaming features. However, some people use virtual private networks, VPNs, or other workarounds to access US-based streaming services. But this can come with limitations and isn't officially supported. If YouTube TV does eventually launch in the UK, pricing would likely differ from its current US rate of $72.99 per month. For now, UK viewers might want to explore alternative streaming services like BBC iPlayer, ITVX, or Sky Go, which cater specifically to British audiences, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the availability of YouTube TV in the UK, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.